Good morning, my poops and plates people. It's your boy at the gym, God's gym, nature. Everybody get out here. I got a few basic moves this morning with my mace bell. Look up the Savage Army on YouTube. You won't be sorry. He's a wonderful guy. He'll lead you in the right direction. Physical, mental, spiritual growth every day. That's what he goes for, and I'm with him. You can't beat this. A little bit of exercise, jump into some cold water. You can't ask for anything more. Don't forget to get it, people. And remember, it's nice to be important, but it's more important to be fucking nice.